You spend your days building walls of stone, trying to make the unknown your own, trying to make the unknown your own. But rivers don't ask where they should go, and stars don't wonder what they should know. The trees grow tall without a plan. The trees grow tall without a plan. The waves don't fear where they will land. Yet here you stand with anxious eyes, trying to bargain with the skies. Trust the universe, trust the universe tonight. You are not separate from the light. Like the ocean holds the sea, the whole wide world is breathing thee. Let it rise, let it fall. You were never small at all. Life's a dance, not a fight. Trust the universe tonight. The mind keeps talking endlessly, a prison made of memory. Tomorrow's ghost and yesterday's chains echoing inside your brain. But silence lives beneath the sound, a deeper rhythm all around. You are the wind through the trees, you are the dark and the breeze. The cosmos sings in your bones, you were never alone. Death is only changing form, like morning sunlight after storm. The wave falls back into the sea, but loses what could be. So laugh a little at the game, no fixed self to defend or name. The universe has always known. You are its voice, its flesh, its tone. Trust the universe, not even shadows serve the light. Every ending softly bends into beginnings once again. Let the mystery unfold. You were never meant to hold all of life with fearful hands. Just learn to move the way it dances. And when the final curtain sways, you'll find you never went away.